Time to hit this. I just suck on it.
Suck it.
Nah. You just shot the ground. Are you the feds? No, I don't talk to him at all. It's just something I just noted. I'm like, oh my god. And we used to always tell him, FBI, open up. He pays me good though, so I can't. But I just try to be nice to him.
What's wrong with meth?
It's nothing wrong with meth. He's actually the second person I know who's good, who's like well off on meth.
Second?
Yeah. It's kind of hard to be like
a bowl of cheese grits and some meth.
Nah,
no?
It's more like oatmeal. It's crazy. It's like, I get it though, because I love smoking and jogging. And he likes doing meth.
Okay, that's fair though. That's fair. I don't know, man.
He wakes up to a nice bowl of meth. Probably wanks one from what it seems like. That's all I gotta say.
Me, I know sometimes that can be difficult. I thought, well, at least back in the day,
unbelievably
I
difficult.
Easy to do. I wasn't as strung out with everything, right? So.
He said that, I giggle so hard in my head. Strung out. Yeah, you're fucking right on. You're strung out.
And they go postal, and they go in the post office, and they act a damn fool and kill everybody. Well, I will never do that, right? I'm not going to be that guy.
Yes, I get paid good by the hour, but like at the end of the day, I'm not trying to like. It's crazy.
You know what's funny, bro?
It's still going on. In the
This nigga's still talking.
These are a lot.
Falling apart. We'll start talking to you.
But yeah, that was one message from my
Damn. I was about to say, how old are these hoes, nigga? Old enough, brother. But they look good, though. Fuck a job!
This is probably my favorite one.
If the other part had this, that would be dope.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't been out here. So, behind the grave, y'all. I was like, what the fuck is this? Fire. Here you go. They just coming different colors now.
Destroy this machine and all records of it.
One beetle that's like the strongest pound for pound animal on Earth. I think it could do like 500 times its weight.
How do you know this?
I like animals, bro.
I like that. That's good.
Bro, animals are fucking, they got superpowers. Like literally a leaf cutter ant could lift like 100 times its weight above its head. That shit crazy, bro. Imagine your size just fucking ripping a tree off the ground. I'm doing weightlifting and calisthenics.
It makes sense.
This is perfect weight for me. I wish it was longer and thinner. Yeah, okay, Gabby did something. She did this something really cool. She quit scope somebody's head off. Like she quit scoping nigga's head off. She final kill cam a nigga, and I was like, oh my god. I ain't gonna tell you who she popped.
C4.
Oh shit, that was a year and a half ago, fuck. You have perfect camera movement in a fucking anime, but somehow y'all get that shit wrong.
Hey, whatever, bro.
What the fuck ever. You see those trees, right?
Yeah, the tree line. It doesn't curve?
Yeah, it does. It curves out big, like a testicle. That's supposed back when outside, back when cable was around. But I don't want to live in no fucking digital world. That just sounds stupid. Don't people understand that we're the most intelligent, stupidest generation of all human beings? Like, genuinely, the most stupidest, intelligent part of human being life right here. And we're living in it. That's the reason why, right there. Those dances. This is what we spend our time doing. And it blows my mind. Like, do you even see that we're fucking gonna start our doom? Like, this is gonna be our doom. TikTok and all this crazy shit.
No.
I find the universe shaped as a circle. Everything always curves in a circle. Everything's always in a circle.
That's what melanin is, dark matter.
No, dark matter is always there.
Yes, nigga, and melanin too.
No, dark matter, I see dark matter as like the matter that was always there, even before God himself was there.
Wait, so is everything made from dark matter?
In a sense, yes. Actually, yes, indeed. God, like he literally took the chaos energy and the vast emptiness and made things.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, let's go to fucking Mars real quick, guys. Hit the beach up real quick. Look, like Raptors, I love the fucking basketball team, the Raptors, and their jacket, their color schemes are fucking awesome. Them Dolphins are hard. Like church shoes the nigga had on.
Oh, I love humanity. Maybe not so much everybody.
I don't know, man.
No, I do love everybody. I'm capping. I may not like you though. This tree feels really good. It does. I don't know, what is this tree called?
Magnolia.
Southern Magnolia.
My favorite tree.
Yeah,
These bitches they got really good, easy to climb branches once they get like huge as fuck.
I like the little.
They really hollow out
when these open up.
Because it's maybe younger, but the leaves stick up, and it all reminds me of the thing people take called triple C's. By the way, it's like one of my favorite trees.
Nice.
It's like smoky brown. It feels like cowhide, but it's not cowhide.
This makes my heart happy as fuck. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys.
I love some cowhide.
It's record the unnecessary shit. This is the example of what y'all niggas need to set, man. That's what I'm talking about, man. Alex, do this shit. Niggas, it ain't that hard just to record some shit. Keep recording, man, please. Fuck. Nigga need help.
Another hard ass song by this nigga.
I respect it.
Right now, I'm just trying to like get the.
Fixing to smash that boy.
Keep it 100,000 pain, think you ever wanted. And I'm thinking, and I'm drinking.
God dang it, man. It don't even matter. I did the thing.
She fucking for money, but in the night, your daughter be seeing niggas in and out. Your daughter got dick on your mouth.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. They're not worthy. Not worthy.
We live in this shit, nigga. We live it, nigga.
Yeah.
We're gonna stretch to a class. Who's stretching? We all stretching.
What are you talking about?
Compare brands, in store or online.
I stretch every day.
Damn sure ain't saying no blueberries, nigga. Oh yeah, you gotta take another pic, bro. You just judged the. For real, for real.
No, I didn't.
This ain't no blueberry.
Where are those?
Those ain't no damn blueberries.
Not blueberries?
Man, you know those ain't no blueberries, bro. Nigga, those ain't no damn blueberries.
Well, what picture you want me to take?